Good morning, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1974 Dodge Challenger. This beautiful Plum Crazy purple car. It has a 360, a mile-built 360 under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, front disc brakes, sitting on a set of chrome US mag wheels. They are absolutely gorgeous, 18-inch wheels. Little staggered tires, front and back. Car has a TA hood on it. It also has the TA blackout stripes down the side of it. Car was restored probably around 6-7 years ago. Gentleman had a body shop for a lot of years, restored the car, kept it and drove it, enjoyed it for a while. Kind of built it as a tribute to his daughter. So I guess the purple color, she really liked that color. Just an absolutely beautiful car. The paint and body, interior, very, very nice on the car. It starts up good, it runs good, sounds great. Interior, like I say, very, very nice. The paint and the jams looks great. Door panels, bottom of the doors. Just nice, clean car. We'll start it up here. Dash lights, gauges work. Got a aftermarket CD player in it. Got the rally gauges. Headliner's super nice, very tight. Visors are nice shape. Sail panels, package tray, couple 6x9s. Whole interior, the carpet, the seat covers, the headliner, all that stuff's been all replaced. License plate lights, tail lights, turn signals. Price this car right down on the money, $49,900. I think that's a great price for this car. I think you'd be hard pressed to find a nicer one for $49,900. Probably worth more than that. Maybe it's too cheap, but hey, we want to move cars. We don't want to. We're not turning into a museum, we want to sell them. This is like the only thing I've seen on the paint. It's got one little rock chip right here in the center of the roof. Probably take a little touch-up paint and touch that one little chip up so it don't crack out or anything, but it looks like a rock must have caught that and chipped that. Other than that, the paint is very, very nice. We'll take it out for a drive and I'll get out and do a walk around of the car outside. They always show, I like picturing them and videoing them in here, but they really show, a lot of them really show better outside. So we'll take some shots of it outside as well, and like I say, we'll run it down the road here and I'll get out and we'll do a walk around. Just try to be real here. Kinion Classics, we never pretend to be something that we're not. We're a family-owned collector car business. Been in business for 55 years between me and my father. Just try to do things the right way. just got my whole lot blacktop re-seal coated anyway. Looks great. If I could just keep all them transport drivers from pulling on there and parking, that'd be wonderful. Put up big signs and tell them no trailer parking, but yet they still park there. Fix that rough bridge. Like, you probably heard me say that in more than one video. I hit it, the camera kind of bounces. You're probably like, whoa, what's wrong? Well, that bridge is just rough. Right in the sun. I thought it might video better just having a little bit of shade, but I'm gonna back it up and I'll get out and walk around it. Such a pretty car. I want you to be able to see. There we go. That might be better. Side will still be shaded, but there she is, everybody. Beautiful 74 Dodge Challenger 360 automatic, Plum Crazy purple, GA hood, GA stripes, 49.9. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, specialty cars every day, so give us a call. Give us a call, 563-452-2450. Kinion Classic Cars. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.